Hello, and we're going to be checking off every single one of these Mojipops we got doing opening this Mojipop box. So first the moon, that is right here. So we'll put that back, and now we'll do the ice cream. There's the moon. And it's that blue one there. The next is the ice cream. That is here. I'll try to focus. There's a little one that's kind of being marked. The keyboard. There. Cross. Teapot. That is, where is it? It must be there. It's pointing. Ding, ding. And then we just have to. Wrong one. I've not even got that one. I just accidentally ticked up. The cushion. It is right there. Because of the faces does not matter. You can get different face ones. I know that's not a word. There's that one. Helmet, this is not in order. Legacy Albert. You can check the names just. I don't know why I'm not saying that. This one. Where is it? There, Trixie. And then next row, boat. I didn't get this one on video though. It's that one there. Let me cross it off. Then the next one. It may look different, but it actually is the same one. Don't judge. Right there. I'm doing a challenge. How quick can I do this? There. Cross it down, cross. Car. There. Chocolate is there. Colour of the faces don't matter. There you go. Cross. Cloud, we got this one in the last video. Like that one there. And then this is one, I love this. It's a little gorilla. Deer. Oh, I'm covering up. There. This one. Where is it? There. You might have seen it before me, but I don't care. Maybe you do. Fries. There. Microphone. You can see it. Yeah. Cupcake is there. And the sun is there. And then the glittery ones. There's this one. And then this one. And then the last one, the unicorn. So I'm just crossing these ones. That's the